Anybody want to share kind of what today was for them? Nellie, obviously you're stepping right up there.
It was awesome. So thank you so much. I learned to put into action things that have been sort of simmering for a long time. And I find that I'm really slow to start. But once I start, look out.
Anybody else have any thoughts? I mean, Jody.
Oh, this has been great. I mean, Susie, anything I take from you is amazing. So that just kind of goes without saying. So Janet, this was just a real treat to see you in action as well. I love this. When I came into this, I just was kind of like, I've got all these great ideas and all the stuff that I want to do. And I just kind of need like the kick in the pants to actually get me to do it, or, the accountability or whatever it is. And it's like, now you guys all motivated me. And then knowing that we're going to stay in touch, for the however long doing, the mastermind or the follow-up, whatever we're calling it, that's key for me, because I love to hold people accountable, but I need someone to hold me accountable as well.
Yep.
And so it's truly, I have to go from that idea phase to actually implementing it. And this is so funny because this is on my desk. I want to share this with you guys. One of my friends gave me this for my birthday. It's a little plaque that says, "This girl can."
I like it.
And it's been sitting in front of me the whole time. And I'm like, I guess I needed to see that. So, yeah. And then the second thing I wanted to add was when we were just doing the email campaign now, like I got the first sentence and I was like, now what? I just like sat there and I like stared at the paper. I'm like, well, I'll do it on the computer. Maybe it'll come if it comes on the computer. And then all of a sudden it hit me that my subsequent emails can be my 30-second commercials that I do for all of my networking groups. And it's already done.
Yes.
So it's like, because I was thinking, I'm like, well, what do I want to do? Well, I want to talk to people about what symptoms you're having and how I can treat that. I'm like, duh. So that was my big aha right when we came back. So
I love it.
Yeah, so this has been great. So thank you for everything.
Thank you, Jody.
It's 6 o'clock my time. I am really tired because I've really been attentive here the entire time, and I've really worked hard.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, I jump in a lot. And the ahas I got were major.